Dear students, this is our third lecture of chapter number 13, Amines. In this lecture, we are going to study physical properties of amines and basicity of amines. Physical properties of amines: intermolecular forces, boiling points, and solubility. First, intermolecular forces. In case of primary amine, there are two hydrogen atoms. So, in primary amines, due to this presence of two hydrogen atoms, two hydrogen bonds are possible, and the hydrogen bonds are possible due to the polar nature of NH bond in amines, and electronegativity of nitrogen is 3 and hydrogen 2.1. So hydrogen bonds with the nitrogen of other amine or other primary amine, and in case of secondary amines R2NH. One hydrogen atom is present, so there is also possibility of formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, but the extent becomes less than primary amine. And in case of tertiary amines, no intermolecular hydrogen bonding because of absence of R3N, means tertiary amine. Due to the absence of hydrogen atom, tertiary amine do not forms intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Tertiary amines do not have intermolecular hydrogen bonding because of no hydrogen atom on nitrogen of tertiary amine. But due to the polar nature of NC bond, tertiary amines are polar in nature, and intermolecular forces of attraction are strongest in primary amine and weakest in tertiary amine. For example, hydrogen bonding between primary amine molecule and aromatic amines. This is molecule of primary amine. Due to this lone pair of electron present on nitrogen bonds with hydrogen with the help of hydrogen bonding. This primary amine contains two hydrogen atoms, so it bonds with the help of the hydrogen, and this lone pair bonds with the hydrogen atom of another amine molecule. So this is the hydrogen bonding of primary amine. Next, aromatic amine. So this is aromatic amine, aniline. This is hydrogen bonding between nitrogen of first aniline molecule and hydrogen of second aniline molecule which is attached with the nitrogen. This is hydrogen bond or hydrogen bonding in aromatic amine. Boiling point order. Primary amines possess more boiling point than secondary, and secondary amines possess more boiling point than tertiary amines. Let us consider the example N-butyl amine, molar mass 73, boiling point 350.8. Second compound diethyl amine, molar mass same and boiling point decreases to 329.3. Third example, tertiary amine, molar mass is same and boiling point decreases up to 310.5. Fourth example, propanoic acid, molar mass 74, boiling point 414.4 Kelvin. Next example, N-butyl alcohol, molar mass same, boiling point 390.3. Next example, tertiary butyl amine. This is primary amine, boiling point 318.15. Next example, this compound is alkane, molar mass 72 and boiling point 300.8 degrees Celsius. State and odor. The lower aliphatic amines are gaseous or in the gaseous state or gases with fishy odor. Odor of lower aliphatic amines is fishy odor. Middle members are in the liquid state. Higher members are solid under ordinary temperature and pressure. Aniline and other aryl amines. Aniline and other aryl amines are usually colorless liquids but get colored as they are easily oxidized by air. Solubility of amines. Lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water. Solubility of amines decreases with increasing molar mass of amines due to the increase in size of hydrophobic alkyl group. Aromatic amines and higher aliphatic amines are insoluble in water. For example, this is water and this is primary amine. There is hydrogen bonding between the water molecule and amine. So due to hydrogen bonding, here this is another water molecule and this is hydrogen bonding. So due to the formation of hydrogen bonding between the water and primary amine, lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water. As the molar mass increases, solubility decreases because of hydrophobic alkyl group. Hydrophobic means water repelling alkyl group. In higher amines, molar mass of alkyl part becomes higher. So, due to the higher molar mass of alkyl part of amine, it becomes hydrophobic. Means water repelling. So, due to this water repelling nature of alkyl group, higher alkyl groups with higher alkyl groups, amines becomes less soluble. Basicity of amines. The basic nature of amine is due to presence of lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom. In terms of Lewis theory, amines are bases because they can share a lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom with an electron deficient species. See this example. Tertiary amine. This nitrogen contains lone pair of electron which is donated to the electron deficient species boron trifluoride, and this coordinate bond is formed between nitrogen and boron. Next reaction, this amine combined with water, amine accept proton to form conjugate acid and hydroxyl ion. If amine combined with mineral acid, it gives salt, ammonium salt, alkyl ammonium salt. In this way, amines are basic in nature due to presence of lone pair of electron on nitrogen, and according to the Lewis theory of acids and bases, the chemical species which donate the lone pair of electron to the electron deficient species are base, so amines are basic in nature. Due to this lone pair donation, coordinate type of bond is formed. In this equilibrium, amine accept proton from water, and according to Lowry and Bronsted theory, the chemical substance which accept proton is base, and due to exception of proton, this conjugate acid is produced. So amines are base according to Lowry-Bronsted theory. And this is the equilibrium equation represented. RNH2 plus water gives RNH3 plus ion plus OH minus ion. Applying law of mass action, we get dissociation constant of weak base, concentration of RNH3 ion into concentration of OH minus ion divided by concentration of RNH2. And we know basicity is directly proportional to the dissociation constant of weak base, which is inversely proportional to the pKb value, where pKb is equal to negative logarithm of dissociation constant of weak base to 10, and Kb value is larger, pKb value is smaller, and vice versa. Means if Kb value becomes larger, pKb value becomes smaller. Basic strength of aliphatic amines. Order of pKb values. pKb value of ammonia is greater than primary amine. pKb value of primary amine is greater than secondary amine, but pKb value of secondary amine is less than tertiary amine. I again repeat here, pKb value of secondary amine is less than pKb value of tertiary amines. Then, order of basic strength. Ammonia is less basic than primary amine. Primary amine is less basic than secondary amine, but secondary amine is more basic than tertiary amine. I repeat here, secondary amine is more basic than tertiary amines. So, secondary amines are strongest bases, and stronger will be the base, smaller will be the pKb value. I repeat here, if the base is stronger, its pKb value must be smaller. Let us discuss the pKb values of some amines in aqueous medium. Methanamine, pKb value 3.38. Ethanamine, pKb value 3.29. Propan-2-amine 3.40. Phenyl methanamine 4.70. All these amines are primary amines, possess higher value of pKb. Then secondary amines, N-methyl methanamine pKb value 3.27. pKb value becomes smaller or less because of this is secondary alkanamine. Next example, N-ethyl ethanamine. This is also secondary amine and the pKb value is 3.0. So, secondary amines possess lower value of pKb, means secondary amines are more basic in nature. Basicity is more as compared to the primary alkanamines, which possess higher value of pKb. So, higher value of pKb means less basic, and lower value of pKb means more basic. pKb values of some other amines. Tertiary alkanamines. Example, NN-dimethyl methanamine means trimethylamine, pKb value 4.22. Next example, NN-diethyl ethanamine means triethylamine, pKb value 3.25. Then ammonia, its pKb value is 4.75. So ammonia possesses higher value than these two examples. So ammonia is less basic than tertiary amines. Next example, aryl amines. Benzenamine means aniline, its pKb value is 9.38. Next example, N-methyl aniline, its pKb value is 9.30. Next example, NN-dimethyl aniline, its pKb value is 8.92. So, these value again higher than ammonia and these two tertiary alkanamines, means aryl amines are less basic than ammonia and tertiary alkanamines. Influence of plus I effect means positive inductive effect. An alkyl group exerts electron releasing inductive effect, that is positive inductive effect, which stabilizes positive charge on atom bonded to it. As we move from conjugate acid of ammonia, means ammonium ion, to that of tertiary amine, means ammonium ion to tertiary amine, R3NH plus ion. the number of alkyl groups bonded to nitrogen goes on increasing steadily. See, this ammonium ion contains 4 hydrogen atoms and no alkyl group, and this R3NH plus ion contains 3 alkyl groups, means number of alkyl groups bonded to nitrogen goes on increasing steadily, means the electron releasing positive inductive effect or electron releasing inductive effect, which is called as positive inductive effect, which stabilizes positive charge on atom bonded to it, and this result in increasing stabilization of conjugate acids, means due to this conjugate acid becomes stable. An increasing order of basic strength is expected. So this is the increasing order of basic strength. So this is the order. Ammonium ion is less basic than tertiary amine, and tertiary amines are less basic than secondary amine. Means ammonium ion is less basic than primary ammonium ion, and primary ammonium ion is less basic than secondary ammonium ion, and secondary ammonium ion is less basic than tertiary ammonium ion. Order of stabilization. Ammonium ion is less stable than primary ammonium ion. Primary ammonium ion is less stable than secondary ammonium ion. Secondary ammonium ion is less stable than tertiary ammonium ion. Then, expected order of basic strength. Ammonia is less basic than primary amine, which is less basic than secondary amine, and secondary amine is less basic than tertiary amines. Influence of solvation. The solvent water stabilizes the conjugate acid by hydrogen bonding through the hydrogen bonded to the N plus ion. The number of H atoms, means hydrogen atoms, bonded to N plus decreases from 4 to 1. That is 4 in NH4 plus ion. See this NH4 ion. NH4 ion contains 4H plus ions. This value decreases to 1. In this R3NH plus ion, only one hydrogen is present. So the number of hydrogen atoms bonded to N plus decreases from 4 to 1. And as a result, NH4 plus is best stabilized by solvation. Means NH4 plus is more stable by solvation. And the stabilization by solvation is very poor in R3NH plus ion. Means this R3NH plus ion is less stable or very stable, very less stable or very poor stable by solvation. See the examples. This is NH4 plus ion, which is bonded with water molecules 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the help of 4 hydrogen bonds. This is RNH3 plus ion, which contains 3 hydrogen atoms bonded with 3 water molecules with 3 hydrogen bonds. Next example, R2NH2 plus ion, secondary amine, means ion of secondary amine which contains 2 hydrogen atoms bonded with 2 water molecules with the help of hydrogen bonding. And last example, R3NH plus ion, which contains only 1 hydrogen bonded with 1 water molecule with the help of hydrogen bonding. So NH4 plus ion bonds with 4 hydrogen bonding with 4 water molecule, and R3NH3 plus ion bonds with 3 water molecules with the help of 3 hydrogen bonds. R2NH plus ion bonds with 2 water molecules with the help of 2 hydrogen bonds, and R3NH plus ion bonds with 1 molecule of water. So NH4 plus ion is more stabilized than R3NH plus ion. Combined influence or combined effect of plus I effect means positive inductive effect and solvation effect on stabilization of conjugate acids of aliphatic amines decides the observed basic strength of pKb value. These two influencing factors operate in opposite directions. Means solvation increases from R3NH plus ion to NH4 plus ion. And plus I effect increases from ammonium ion means NH4 plus ion to R3NH plus ion. The net results is that as we move from ammonia to primary amine to secondary amine, the basic strength increases due to better stabilization of corresponding conjugate acids. But tertiary amine is weaker base than secondary amine because the stabilization of conjugate acid of tertiary amine by solvation is very poor. Basicity of aryl amines. From pKb values of aryl amines, for example, benzenamine or aniline, its pKb value is 9.38. this value is large value, means this compound is less basic. So aryl amines are less basic than aliphatic amines. And according to the Lowry-Bronsted theory, amines accept proton and forms conjugate acid, but aryl amine is weak base or less basic. So as a result, the equilibrium is shifted towards left side. This makes aniline weaker base than aliphatic amines and ammonia. So aryl amines are less basic than aliphatic amines and ammonia. Lone pair of electron present on nitrogen is conjugated to aromatic ring and is less available for protonation. And aniline is stabilized by resonance structures. Lone pair of electron present on nitrogen shifted between nitrogen and first carbon, and the pi electrons present between first and second carbon are transferred towards second carbon. So second carbon carries negative charge, and double bond is present between nitrogen and first carbon. Then electrons are transferred between second and third carbon, and double bond is formed. Pi electrons are transferred towards fourth carbon, so fourth carbon becomes negative charged. Then negative charge is shifted between fourth and fifth carbon, and pi electrons are transferred towards sixth carbon, so negative charge is obtained on sixth carbon, and double bond is obtained between 4 and 5th carbon. Negative charge is shifted between 6th and 1st carbon, so double bond is obtained, and pi bonded electrons are shifted on nitrogen. Positive charge is removed and lone pair on nitrogen is obtained. In this way, 5 resonating structures are represented. See the first structure and fifth structure. See the difference. Position of double bond between first and second carbon. This double bond is shifted between second and third carbon. In this way, double bond is shifted due to resonance structures. This anilinium ion is obtained by accepting proton, and which shows resonating structures. These are the two resonating structures, and stabilized by these resonating structures, pi electrons are shifted to give second structure called as resonating structure. And due to this anilinium ion, equilibrium is shifted towards left hand side, means this compound aniline, and aniline is less basic than ammonia or aliphatic amines.